Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into the University of Newcastle as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in studentportal.ncl.ac.uk. That is student portal. That is student portal ncl.ac.uk. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Scroll down and then tap on ncl.uk/student program. You may have to allow all cookies and then tap on student portal. Tap on dashboard. Here you'll have to enter your email, hit next and enter your password, which should be provided to you by your college or university during the time of admission. You can also log into My Hub. With similar credentials, and you may have to set up multi-factor authentication for your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.